Hi makers! I miss you all. I can't wait until we are back together. This week I have a super fun project for you. If you've been with me for the last 2 years, then you have done this before. We are going to do erupting egg dye. So I've got Levi here. He's going to demonstrate and I'm going to kind of talk y'all through it. So I want to see all of your awesome erupting egg dye fun. So when you go to do this, whether it's today, tomorrow, sometime this week, take pictures, videos, send them to me, tag Makers Club in them, whatever. But I want y'all to have fun and happy Easter. I miss you. I miss all of you. So here's our materials that we're going to use. We've got some boiled eggs. I brought 2 boxes of baking soda outside just because this one doesn't have much in it. So we've got the baking soda, and then I went ahead and poured vinegar into the glasses. And then we're going to try this 2 different ways. I've not done the food dye method before, so that one's going to be new. And then this is an egg dye kit tablet. So Levi is here. He's going to be our demonstrator, and we're going to get started. So, first things first, let's go ahead and mix up our dye. Levi, I want you to put the egg dye tablet in that one, and just let it set and soak for a second. Go ahead, while that one's soaking, go ahead and take the food dye, and let's do 3 or 4 squirts. Do you want it dark or light?
Dark.
Dark? All right, give it 3 or 4 really good squirts.
That was 4.
Okay. All right, go ahead and stir in that green, since it's a liquid. All right, and I'll take your food dye. Thank you. Stir up that blue and let's see what we've got. It's going to take a little bit for that blue to dissolve. So, thank you, Levi. That's good. So, while we're waiting on the blue to dissolve, we're going to move these. All right, Levi, take our plastic cups, bud. And I want you to just fill the bottom of our plastic cups with baking soda. No real exact measurement here, just load it up. That's good. Maybe we did end up having enough in that box. So it doesn't take just a whole lot. You can give that red one a little bit more. Go ham on it. There you go. Put a little bit more in the blue too. All right, so while we're waiting on this blue tablet, let's go ahead and erupt some green. What do you think, bud?
All right.
Yeah? All right, put an egg inside the red cup on top of, yep, just like that, on top of the baking soda. All right, take our green mix and slowly pour it over your egg and your baking soda. We're doing this outside because it can get a little messy, and that's why we've got the tray. Go, pour more, keep pouring. Yeah, that's good. So we definitely have the eruption factor going on. Right, dude?
Yep.
Yep. So we'll let that set for a few minutes and come back and show you what it looks like. All right, so his dye has kind of fizzled down, and you'll see he doesn't quite have enough water to cover the top of that egg, because you do want to let your egg soak for a minute. Pull this tray up, bud. Be careful with it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, gently pour what's in that tray over this cup. There we go, that's good. Look at there, we have more. It's coming back. So we're gonna keep filling it until the egg is covered. And you can see the egg's covered now. We're gonna let it set and get some of the dye in. I smell like vinegar. So, I just had Levi go dump that tray, and we're gonna let the green egg sit. So that was with the food dye, and now we're gonna try it with the egg dye tablet. All right, so Levi, cup. He's gonna put his egg in on top of the baking soda, and he's gonna pour the egg dye kit tablet mixture in. Woo. Wow, that one did really good. I don't know if you can see it on the video. I can see it's smoking.
Yeah, and no, it's not hot.
Not hot, yeah. All right, so the top of our egg is showing. Pour that in for me. That's good. Whoa! Okay, that's good. Thank you. All right, now I'm really curious to see how our food dye egg looks compared to our kit dyed egg. So we know that either way, food dye or kit, we're gonna get the eruption because that's what baking soda and vinegar do. All right, so Levi, why don't you get that green spoon and lift that green egg out, and let's see how it looks. It's getting there. So it is taking on some color. Let it sit a little longer. So you can do this with food dye. We probably could have put a little bit more dye in the vinegar. All right, Levi, let's look at the blue. I think you're gonna have better results. Ooh, it's a really pretty, like, robin's egg blue. All right, go ahead and put it back down in there. The longer you let it set, the darker, the deeper the color it's gonna get. So there you have it. Baking soda, vinegar, either food coloring or an egg dye tablet.